the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
So this is the advent calendar for Queer TJ and Queer Zach. So this one's Queer Zach and this one's Queer TJ. And I got the Chapper Trap. That's the biggest one. I'm going to go ahead and open it with these. And guys, be careful.
And who bought that one? For
Auntie
you?
Mel.
Auntie Mel. Siya daw mag-ano guys. Kasi gustong-gusto niya na mag-vlog sa kanyang channel. Pero nga, hindi ko yun may edit kung mag-vlog siya doon. So sabi ko dito, mag-open ka na lang ng vlog sa vlog ni Mami. Ginamit ko pala na pang remove sa makeup niya is yung Sulwaso na oil. Tapos yung cleansing. And ayan. Ganda ng pagkaalis ng kanyang makeup. Kasi sobrang madikit yung yung mascara. Okay? And nakapaglaban na pala guys ng mga uniforms. And dito sa loob lang nilagay. Wait lang, ipakita. Ayan, dito sa loob kasi ang pangit ng weather. And yung golf sticks ng mag-ama nandito sa loob kasi sobrang basa yan. Naka-on yung heater natin para matuyo sila. Ito naman, may nirereklamo. What's wrong with you? Yung neck niya naman doon ang masakit. Why? You sleep funny? Probably?
No, it happened this morning.
This morning? So maybe you sleep funny.
No, that one and then...
This one? You will be okay. Yes, baby. Tapos na raw siya.
Okay, I just opened my advent calendar. And guys, these are the ones you get. So you get strawberry Mentos, the mixed Mentos, and then you get the lollipops. That's Coke, that's strawberry, and that's candy cane. Alright, let's find the one. That's the one. Honey.
Nakuha niya to nung nag-sleep over siya kila Auntie Mel nung Sydney, you have to push, Baba. Push. Okay. Ang niya, matigas siya.
I wonder what I get. Okay, let's see. First, I'm gonna take a guess, like a lollipop. I don't know. It was a lollipop, and I got the strawberry one.
The strawberries. So, and si Jan lumabas, kumuha siya ng 3 minutes noodles.
Yeah.
Para sa kanila kasi gusto nilang yun.
I'm gonna have some too because my throat is a little bit hurt.
Hurt?
So I got the lollipop.
Okay. December 2, hindi ako nag-vlog guys, pero mag-vlog tayo ngayon. Kasi tingnan nyo si Holly. Natanggal na ang kanyang iniingatan na ipin and sobrang happy niya. Let me
I
see.
can tell you how I got it out.
How?
So I was climbing the pole there.
Yeah.
And then I got to the top, I was slide down, my thumb accidentally went like that, and then it's like, oh no.
Naglalaro kasi siya sa labas.
Feels weird.
Ha? Smile. Magluluto ako ngayon ng spaghetti.
How am I gonna eat with this?
Okay, wash that one.
I'm putting it in a cup so I can...
Yeah, so you have to wash it. Yeah, magluluto ako ng spaghetti. Nagpapakulo na ako ng tubig. And ayan yung ating beef. And ito yung spaghetti noodles na gagamitin natin. Si Barella. Number 7. Lalagay niya na sa basong may tubig para magkaroon siya ng pera. Say pera, money.
Pera, money.
Pera is money. Si Jan nandito, si Jan sa sa likod ng maliit na shed. Nagsusunog siya ng mga boxes ko. And tingnan nyo yung peach. Yung apricot. Ang na naman, ang healthy niya na.
Mommy, imagine
Yes?
I went to the concert and like this.
Ayan. It's alright. Ayan. Ayan pa yung box. iba nasunog niya na yung mga ano na yan, mga kahoy. And ayan na yung mga bunga. Ayan. Dami ng bunga sana. Mauuna na naman tayo nito ng ibon. Ang daming bunga. Ayan. And ayan.
Is it ready?
So ngayon wala na kaming trampoline tsaka swing. Ang pinagkakabisihan ni Holly paglaruan ay eto. Yung mga poles dito. Ha? Ay, yeah. Naglaba pala ako.
So I climbed up here.
Yeah?
All the way to the top. And as I was coming down, my this came and did that.
It hurts? I don't think so. What happened to your... Oh, may mga kagat ka na naman ng lamok.
So I have one there, there, on my back there, and...
Pag kinakagat pa naman siya ng lamok, ayan guys, oh. Peklat. Parang siya yung haping nabunutan ng ipin.
Watch this, ready?
Alright, I'm gonna watch my spaghetti noodles. Yan ang ginagawa niya dyan eh. See ya. So, ito na yung ating pasta. Naghihiwa na ako. Ay, nagmi-mince na ako ng garlic. And gagamitin ko tong sibuyas na bigay sa akin ng kapitbahay. Ayan. Ayan yung mag-ama, nagsasampay. Ayan, nagisa ko na yung beef. And syempre yung pasta sauce na gagamitin natin ay yung Filipino style. Yung mag-ama andun pa rin. Malapit na silang matapos. Yes, yan. Ayan, sobrang kumukulo na yung ating spaghetti sauce. Nilagyan ko na ito ng cheese, pero mag-a-add pa ako. And maglalagay din ako ng creme fresh. Ito. Ayan. And dagdagan ko pang cheese. Para extra special ang lasa niya. Naglagay din akong pepper, bay leaf, tinanggal ko na. And asin, nag-asin ako dyan. So, ayan na yung ginagdag natin. Ay! Tumalsik. Ayan, halo-halo lang. And, tapos na. Hindi ako naglagay na hotdog kasi ayaw ni Jan. Next time na lang. Kasi ayaw ni Jan ng may hotdog ang kanyang pasta. So, ayan. Si Sak lang at saka si Holly munang kakain. Si Kuya mamaya na raw. Si Jan nasa labas pa eh.
Thank you.
Wait, that's Kuya Sak. I don't think so you will finish that one. You're sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think this one has some less.
Okay. 540. Sak,
This one's...
this is Kuya Sak because Kuya Sak choose this one. You can always come, but we still have a lot. Ayan. Here. Thank you. Welcome. Kahit walang ipin siya, tingnan niyo.
Have more, please.
You want more? Finish that one first. Sisak pinalamig niya muna. Si Holly hindi niya na pinalamig. Oh. Ayan kay Holly and ayan na si Jen. Naligo muna siya. Kay Kuya, naliligo lang siya. Tapos na si Sak. Put it there, please. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Dad!
Happy birthday! I already said it. Dad smacked me on the car. So he's like, no.
You warm or up?
No one wants it.
Hi guys, it's my dad's birthday today and I just got back from school and I made my dad this card. It says happy birthday dad and there's like cake here. And guys, at the shop today I have these two caramel koalas and I made stuff at school. And there's a gingerbread man and I made a knife. So this is what I made, guys. So this is what I made. So I got Mary holding the baby and the little crib. So like the baby's gonna go in there. Then I got Father Olive, I think. And guys, we put like little things, like it's a little owl here. And we got the star. And we got the other side with it. So, and then we have stuff here to make it comfortable for baby Jesus. And the card, it says, Merry Christmas, Mum and Dad. I hope you have a great holiday and a great Christmas. Also, I hope you like your present and my card I gave you. I love you, Mum and Dad, from Holly. And then I drew a little Christmas, like a little gingerbread man there. So, hopefully my dad likes my card and the 2 caramel koalas, because I think I heard him say it last week that he likes caramellas. And this, I like this one. It says, Happy birthday, Dad. I hope you have a great birthday, Dad. Dad. But can you please like my card? And I drew a picture of me and you. Love you, Dad, from Holly. And I got my... Can you quickly go, please? Bye, guys. Bye-bye.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't